The birthday boy is here. Look behind him is the glacier. Oh, yay! Happy birthday to you.
Happy New Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday to you.
Come,
To you.
let's go there to drink some water.
Okay. Okay, walk slowly. The birthday boy is here. Love you. Happy birthday to you, Char. Happy birthday. Oh. He enjoy his birthday here. Wow, can you hear that? Ah, what if that one will drop to you, my? Surely you're dead.
You're there, yeah?
Glacier. Look. Today is his birthday. So let's go and see if there is something to eat there in the restaurant. Huh? Look at the clouds. It's a form of a human, like laying flat. Yeah, super amazing.
And it's forever, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, it's working.
Ayan guys, pababa na tayo papunta doon sa restaurant. Mukhang malapit lang, no, pero malayo pa talaga yan. Tingnan yung ginagawa ko.
Yeah.
Getting warmer here. Getting warmer. There is cold. Glimpse of the beautiful view. The glacier, guys. Super beautiful. Super. So near yet so far. So beautiful. Those tiny flowers are in the ground, guys. Ayan. Lakad takbo yung ginagawa ko, guys. Kaya medyo mabilis akong nakarating doon. Pababa kasi siya.
The wild goat.
So they are a goat that fit in the nature. And you cannot bring it to the city to kill. Oh, this is the restaurant, guys. Maraming tao dyan sa veranda. Hindi ko na sinali sa video. For privacy na din. Ayan yung view niya, guys. So close. Tignan. So, we are here. 2,038 380 meter. So, where we was just now, 3,187. Oh wow, we reached already the 386 meter. Oh wow. So guys, pababa na tayo. So dumaan tayo dito sa tram railways. Ayan, dandahan lang kasi very slope siya, guys. As in pababa. Tapos yung mga bato is maliliit. Tapos siya as nakaka-slide. So, yan yung mga tao, guys. Ang dami nila dyan. Sobrang dami nakaupo. Naghihintay sila sa last street ng tram.
What you want? Come. Why you run? Yo. Why you run? You go first or me? Oh. Maybe this one is kaput. You fell down there. Ready? You hold here, huh? Later you fly, huh? I mean, almost, but because you don't know to fly.
The lake can be seen here.
See, there we should walk, but yeah.
From there?
Yeah. Hi, hold this. Watch out, this on video. I want to make video also when we go. Come on, we have to go. I think it's 2 hours almost to go there.
Can you imagine, guys, how elevated is this? We are in the 3,187 meter altitude. Can you imagine? OMG. Look at the people there. Look.
Ah, man.
There's a...
It was on video but not play, huh?
Oh, really? I didn't take from here.
I want to go back a little.
Okay. And the lake is there. Still wildflower is here. Huh? Now, it's a little bit more medyo mabilis-bilis na ang pababa, guys, kasi pag ganyan ay parang patakbo ka na, hindi na yung paakyat na ginagawa ko kanina. Nako, kung alam nyo lang, guys, na-reach namin yung 3,500 something. Hoy, grabe nga kamang-kamang, pero worth it. Oy, grabe ka, worth it. May parang langob dito. Ah, sa train. The train naman. Tram. So, yung tram, dito siya dadaan. Ay, kangit-ngit. Grabe. So, di jud ka pwede mag-agi dira kay maipit jud ka sa tram. Pag padulong na sa taas. Look, ganda. Hubby is there already. Sobrang ganda. Medyo mas mabilis na siyang pababa kasi magdagandagan kagiyod. So kailangan watch out. Kaya mga bato, grabing ang tutulis ng mga bato. Pitons. The tram railways. Look. Protection para sa mga maybe some rocks will drop, you know. Ayan, may mga cover sila ng mga hard wire. Ayun ang train sa baba. Train is coming. Ay, tram. Look how much we walk. Ilan. Grabe. Look. Looks so plain, guys, no? Yung andyan sa gilid kung saan kami nag-walk, no? Pero sobrang deep niyan, guys. As in, pag nahulog ka talaga dyan, thank you. Siguro yung body mo pag nandun na sa baba, wasak, ganun siya ka deep, guys.